Hi, my name is Jordan Rumolings, and I want to share some tips with you guys as riders. Really want to emphasize awareness while riding. We don't have time to lapse, we don't have time for autopilot, we don't have time to just end up at our destinations and we don't know how we got there. Constantly checking your mirrors to see if any cars are coming nearby. Constantly surveying your surroundings to see what's happening, right? And if you're on a road or in an area that you don't know, have to proceed with caution. Also, be careful who you ride with, who you hang out with, because their habits will become your habits. So, we want to implore all riders to set the right examples, to think for others. If you're going on a group ride, know where you're going to, so you can also take your time in riding. Guys, awareness is key. Awareness buys you time, time buys you options. I like to say, scan and plan. So, for new riders, get a good mentor. Do your training, right? There's information all out there. You can contact me at Learn to Ride JA. Also, there are a lot of good videos on YouTube on how to ride safely and properly. Take care, guys. Remember, it's a duty of care for all road users to look out for each other.